Bingo cash entry fees are usually refunded automatically, only when a tournament is cancelled, fails to start, or ends because of a technical issue. If your match finished normally, the entry fee is considered used even if you lost the game. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons an entry fee is not refunded, and the steps that give you the best chance of fixing the problem. If you're expecting a refund, start by opening Bingo Cash and checking your game history. Look for the tournament you entered and confirm whether its status shows completed, cancelled, or interrupted. If the match appears as completed, the entry fee normally won't be returned because it was used to enter that contest. If the tournament never loaded, crashed before it started, or disconnected because of a server issue, take screenshots immediately. Include the tournament name, your username, and any error message you see. That information makes it much easier for customer support to verify what happened. Next, check your payment method. Sometimes players think they've been charged twice because one transaction is still pending. Open your bank, debit card, or digital wallet app, and compare the transaction date with your Bingo Cash purchase history. A pending authorization can disappear automatically if the payment is never finalized. Now open the Bingo Cash support section from inside the app. Choose the option related to purchases or tournament issues, then explain exactly what happened. Include the date, approximate time, tournament name, and attach your screenshots. A detailed report is usually reviewed faster than a message that only says your money is missing. If you paid through the Apple App Store or Google Play, keep the purchase receipt email. Support may ask for the order number to confirm the payment. If you used another payment method, save the transaction confirmation until the issue is resolved. If you've already contacted support, avoid submitting multiple tickets for the same problem. Repeated requests can make it harder to track your original case. Instead, reply to your existing ticket if you need to add new information or screenshots. Here's the bottom line. First, confirm whether the tournament actually qualifies for a refund. Second, gather screenshots and payment records before contacting support. Third, submit one complete support request with every relevant detail. Your next step is to review your tournament history and collect your payment receipt before opening a support ticket. If this guide helped you solve the problem, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes and troubleshooting guides.